Hey, what's up guys? Elric Garrault here, new video today. I will show you today how to set up a fire camp with all the variants setup you can put and use like combustible fuels and anything like that to set up a fire camp. So today I'm just needed to grab some a bag with me to go directly to the next location we're going to go today. I need to put some fuel within my car today. I have to go to the local store to do some purchase for today's video because we are going to go to the nearby forest within my location in order to grab a few stuff needed for the video itself, because I'm going to do the fire camp within my garden directly, and I will explain why just in the future of the video. Quick explanation of what I'm going to do today. So, based on the French legislation, I can't set up a fire camp within my nearby area. I'm talking about a field, a private land, a forest, or natural park, because within the French legislation, you can't set up a fire within 200 meters from the specific locations. And to do not get any problems or issue within the authorities or anything else, I'm doing the fire within my garden. I will set up every aspect to be secure, to get my garden secured from the fire, of course. At first, I wanted to go to my nearby forest to do the fire camp right there, but finally, in fact, I'm going just to grab a few stuff from right there and taking back at home directly to do the fire camp to do the fire camp in my garden. So I've got my fuel, going back to the marketplace, and I will tell you in a few seconds what I get. So I grabbed with me two little things. First one, because I'm going to use it anyways this week for a special event, not related with you at all, but with a friend of mine. I purchased some flammable fabric products. I don't know how to say that, but it's based on the chanvre, the plants where you can extract some illegal stuff, of course. I'm not going to say it because I want to be YouTube friendly as possible, but that's going to be an interesting alternative to set up the fire, because I got a few different stuff to go with this. So look at this, it'll be pretty decent to start something, and I will show you where you can find this kind of product within your own area, garden and stuff, but here this is way more concentrated and way more flammable, so that's why I'm selling this. And secondly, it was kind of difficult to find one because I don't know why, but they don't have any matches within my area. So those ones are specifically made in products for setup fire and especially barbecues. So that's it. So let's directly go to the forest. Just parked my car right there, and we're going to go to this forest with my big bags, my knife and axes to chop some dead trees, and I hope I will get some dried one to be able to do what I wanted to do since the beginning of this video. So, like you can see, there's this kind of foods with some mush, mush in it, on it. The issue is that to get to what I want within the wood, I will have to dig down through it to get the pure and dried wood planks needed for this project. So I'm seeking to find some good ones, easy to shop, and that are laid down on the ground. And from the diameter, I'm seeking from this kind of those ones, maybe a little shorter. And after that, I will just grab this kind of stick right there to help the fire to start up. So yeah, I will try with this one. So for the moment, with the axe, little axe I got there, I hammered this little log. I successfully removed a part of it, which is right there, and I'm going to use these ones to be the station where I'm going to make the friction with another piece of wood to make fire. For those who actually remember, this is the same forest I used for the last video, for the first episode of the Journal de Bord. And yeah, so I got all my stuff needed. I think I'm just going to grab a few little plates of wood like this, just for a few things. I will explain why, but I will need to sculpt them in order to be usable. Oh oui, oui. Oh oui, okay, guys, I'm back with my little dissident dog playing around. So if you want to set up a fire camp or anything like that, you have to find specific areas where you can find near to your locations any sort of materials, especially soil, especially sand, or any water point, to be able to extinguish your fire when where is not in control, or just wanna take it off. Oh, so I got all my back of all my stuff right here. I'm gonna cut through some of them to start our explanation and our setup. I got some batteries and aluminium right there, a sheet of aluminium. I got some little ropes to do one of the example I'm going to show you. I'm going to try rather with this one, rather with these ones. I will say. I got my little axe, the little dried grass I showed you just earlier in order to start the fire. So it's pretty cool, pretty dense, like you can see. Got the matches right there, a lamp, a briquette, of course, of flint steel, and I'm gonna try some few other stuff. So, oh, okay. So I packed up everything I could for this, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to start with the easy one when you're starting a fire camp. So first one is the basic one, the more basic one. I really advise you to take a lighter with you when you're going to go to any expedition. She's still being the O. Any expeditions, it's simple to use and simple to grab. It's really light, and it's really relatable. I mean, you can use it in any moment and you know it will work. I just grab with me some little piece of wood, planks of wood, to help the fire to going on. I'm not using everything, of course, because you know how a lighter work. Of course, nothing incredible. It set the fire up, and that's done. It's cool. This is a lighter, nothing really impressive. Okay, next step are the matches. I got those ones. Those are really big ones for barbecues, I think. or anything like that. The back is where I'm going to flip the matches in order to get this thing started. A very good packaging, I have to say. Take one. I'm guessing it's going a bit fire. Yes, of course, yeah, pretty cool. Let's have the rest. Alright. And you will have to be really careful with this. Okay. I think this is better. Yeah, I can feel the temperature rising a little bit. Okay, I think I know why it did not work actually. It's rising in temperature, but I'm pretty sure the capacity of the aluminium is able to stand the voltage. I don't know how, because I'm not a professional, but anything related to this, the amperage, the voltage, I don't know, the watts, whatsoever. I'm trying to have the perfect angle to have the focal point. A little bit of smoke. Starting to fire up. This video is a mess. The sun is present, but I did not succeed to make a fire with the sun. Same for all the stuff by just rubbing woods against woods and stuff, etc. Do not work. So I just set up a fire camp right there, just to maintain it. I will show you how I'm doing it, so you will be able to redo it. But yep, I just launched it with some matches. Works pretty well, of course it works. But yeah, those are some fails, and fails happens because this is life. So basically, I just, the hole that was made. I put the holes right there and 2 bark logs right there. Some 1 matches, the little dried grass in the middle, and some trunk just right there. So it's slowly but surely get on fire. The fire itself is pretty low in heat right now, but it will remain for a long time, and is protected from any source of winds, weather, or anything else. So that's it. Thanks a lot for being with me for any of these fails, and see you later in the next video.